Once you've created a class notebook using class policy, the last step is to open it in OneNote. So the title of your class is right up here. So for this example, it's demo class, and that's going to be the same name as the notebook that you've just created. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize class policy, and I'm going to go to a web browser. From the Scholarcom homepage, I'm going to click on Office 365. And once I'm at the dashboard, I'm going to click on OneNote. And to access class notebooks that you've created, you're going to want to click on the Class Notebook tab right here and go down and find that name of the class for the notebook. So the notebook for this example is the demo class. You're going to click on that notebook. And then you're going to want to hit Open in OneNote. And then you're going to want to make sure you check this box and pick OneNote 2016 and always use that app. And it will open that notebook for you. This process can take a few minutes, but once it's open in OneNote on the desktop, from then on out, to access this notebook, all you have to do is go down to OneNote from the Windows browser. This same process that you went through to access the notebook and moving it down into the desktop is exactly what you'll have your students do when you're ready for them to use the notebook. So they'll go to the Scholarcom homepage, Office 365, and into OneNote, and then go to Class Notebooks and find the notebook that you've shared with them.